So now let's see how we can work around with the pinwheel animation effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular clip right here, and in order to apply the pinwheel animation, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. So once I go around over here, I need to go around over here on the animation folder, and here you can see that pinwheel is an option. So I need to go around and click and drag around the pinwheel around over here on this particular clip. And now you can see the reveal length right here, which allows you to add in the reveal length in the beginning. And then in the end, you can go around and add in the conceal length right here. So you can go around and change that out right here, just like this. So after that, you can go around and then move around the pinwheel right here. You can click and drag this around wherever you want, just like this. So that is what you have. And you can go around and change around the position of the pinwheel as well. So you can go around, click and drag this around, or change around the position right here, and that determines the pinwheel right here, just like this. And that is what you have. You can go around and flip up the direction of the pinwheel effect as well, and it'll be changed accordingly. And that is how you can go around and add in the pinwheel animation inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.